In this example, we're asked to simplify this algebraic expression. I'm going to show you how to do so in two different ways, and I'm also going to leave off the justification of each step because I think at this stage we're probably good enough that we can just see the algebra and understand what steps were going on. So the first way I want to solve this is by first dealing with these parentheses on the inside as opposed to these parentheses, these brackets on the outside. So the way I'll do that is I'll distribute this -4 into the parentheses. However, rather than distribute this -4 to 3 different terms, it might make more sense to first combine like terms and then distribute this -4. So I'll do that. This is a trick we saw in the last example. Instead of x plus 1 minus 2x, I'll say that x minus 2x is -x. So what I have inside the parentheses is 1 minus x. And now that I only have 2 terms in the parentheses, it's a little bit easier to distribute. I'm going to take this -4, careful, make sure you're distributing the -4, not just the 4, into these parentheses. And what that will give me is -4 times +1 is -4, and -4 times -x is positive 4x. Still have this -5. Note the -4 doesn't get distributed to the -5 because the -5 is not in the parentheses. Then I end my brackets and I have a -8. And now to finish this problem, all I have to do is get rid of the brackets so I can distribute this 2 on the outside into all the terms inside the brackets. However, rather than distribute the 2 to 4 separate terms, it might be easier to first combine like terms inside the brackets. So I'll do that. I have a 3 minus 4 gives me -1, and then -5 more gives me -6. So what I have inside the parentheses is 4x minus 6. And then outside of the parentheses, I still have that -8. Now to get rid of these brackets, I can distribute the 2 inside the brackets. 2 times 4x is 8x, and 2 times -6 is -12. I still have this -8 on the outside of the brackets, which did not get affected by this 2, because I only distribute to the terms inside the brackets. I can now combine like terms. -12 minus 8 more is -20. To get my final answer of 8x minus 20.